So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you how I decorated this cake. Basically, by the way guys, if you've not watched my video on how I created this chocolate drip, I'm gonna leave a link, a card up here for you to go and watch it. And I guess I'm just gonna see you at the end of this video. So heading off, I'm just gonna be decorating this cake. What I have on my table, I have a reddish pink buttercream. Here is it guys. I have a yellow, and I have a scraper, and I have this small palette knife. I don't know, for some reasons I prefer using the small palette knives over the big one. So starting off, I'll just give this a little extra stir. Just make sure everything is combined totally and properly, and give this a little extra stir still. Then I will just be icing this cake with this particular one first as the main color. So I'm just going to spray wrap it so that I'm not gonna waste much of your time. So heading on guys, I'm just gonna put some icing in my piping bag and clear my table. Then I'll come with my drips, my chocolate drips I made earlier. And by the way, if you've not watched the video on how I made my chocolate drips, I'll just leave a card up here or a link in the description, or I'll leave so finishing up the cake, I have my remnant colors. Can I call you remnant colors? Kept into a piping bag, so I'm just going to choose the front. I think this could be my front. So I'm just going to pour pipe on a semicircle around it, something like this. Okay, then I'm just gonna add some more piping here. I think this is fine. Then I'm gonna be adding my drips to the remaining half. By the way guys, if you've not watched the video on how I made this drip, I'm just gonna leave a link in the description for you to go and watch it. So I'm just gonna be adding my drip. So this is it guys. So I'm just gonna allow it to drip a bit. So then I'll be moving on to adding some flowers. Okay, how many top of it? I think I got some new Happy Birthday flowers. So I'm just gonna be picking one. Okay, I think I'll use this. I'll use this. So dropping this here. So putting this up gently, I will just add this. this is guys. This top is pretty. So adding some flowers. I will just add this very big one somewhere around here. Okay, then I'll add the small ones alongside with it. This is guys. Then I'm gonna add this small butterfly just at the front of everything. Okay. So this is guys. Then I'll be adding this big butterfly at the base. Okay, this is what we have right now guys. So there's this twine. I just want to wrap it around the cake. So I just lose it a bit and give it a cut here. Then I'll just pick in the front. I'll start from the front. Okay. I'll just give it a wrap around the cake. As I see that here is the ending point, then I'll tie it. You need to be careful guys so you don't end up messing your buttercream. I will just tie it the best way I can. Ooh. Okay. So this is guys. So I think we're done with this cake. And yeah, this guy is it. So thanks so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.